what could prevent someone from practicing Buddhism? Are there things that could prevent us from practicing Buddhism or becoming a Buddhist? Could there be a situation or habit that we must drop before we start our journey? Or is this dropping would also be a part of the journey? I think there is not really, anything which could really prevent us from practicing Dharma. We would rather use the word Dharma than Buddhism, because that's what we usually use. We never say, I practice Buddhism. We always say, we try to practice Dharma. Dharma means anything that holds us back from falling into a negative way. That's Dharma. Because the practice of Dharma does not necessarily mean that we have to go to a temple, or you have to do the prayers or rituals. You have to do, certain, time, things, meditation. It also doesn't really involve not or eating something or not eating something, or wearing certain dress or not wearing certain dress. It's all about, mainly how you behave, how you work with your emotions and reactions, and your aspiration, or your how you are, how you behave. So therefore, only thing that can prevent us to practice Dharma is we don't want to practice. We stop practicing ourselves. There is no outside thing that can stop us. Of course, we can practice at many different levels. We can stop practice, just being kind, just trying to be, or just reduce doing negative things a little bit. That's also practicing Dharma. Then on top of that, if you can do some positive things, that's also practicing Dharma. Then a little bit watch your mind, how you behave, how you see, how you react, how your emotions, how you work with your emotions. That's also practicing Dharma. And then if you want, you can also take certain vows or commitments, like taking refuge. I go refuge to Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, and make some kind of a decision to work towards that. Or you can take upasaka kind of vows. You can say like, I will not kill, or I will not steal, or I will not tell lies, or I will not commit sexual misconduct, or I will not take any intoxication and things like that. Any one of them, two of them, three of them, four of them, or five of them, or not, So it's you can practice at many different levels, and as much as you want, as less as you want, So therefore, I don't think there's too much about this. So therefore, practicing Dharma is very much. There is really no minimum, and there is no maximum also. because even like you don't do anything, but you just rejoice that others do practice. That is also practicing Dharma. So it's like that.